Replacing the needle. Check the needle frequently to ensure that the tip is not bent or blunt. Replace the needle if it is bent or blunt. Raise the needle to replace it. When moving the needle, make sure that the needle does not hit the needle plate or other parts. Press the lockout key. Loosen the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver and remove the needle. With the flat side of the needle to the rear. Push the needle up against the stopper and tighten the needle clamp screw securely with the screwdriver. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.